To the stock markets now, where the Nigerian exchange closed positive amidst buy interest and sell-offs as bulls dominated proceedings, driving up the broad market. The all-share index appreciated by 0.02% to close at 54,520.2 points. In the same vein, market capitalization increased by 8 billion naira to close at 29.696 trillion naira, while the year-to-date return settled at 5.66%. The stock market has advanced by 2,924.54 basis points since the start of the year. The market breadth closed positive as Triple G led 17 gainers and 15 losers, topped by Courtville at the end of this day's session. Now, joining us to further break this down into digestible bits and pieces is Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited. Always good to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me again.
The market has seen some bullish sentiment since the beginning of the week. It looks like a back-to-back positive record. What are your thoughts on this? Yesterday closed with a positive capitalization of 8 billion naira. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, for me, I would say that the market is what we call a ranging bullish trend, but actually we have not seen a real breakout from the market. Market has been on a sideways movement, but still in green, gaining just little 0.1, 0.2. Tell you that market is waiting for a real trigger. That trigger has come, but market is still digesting that trigger. We saw the inflation data for the month of January. As expected, it's an uptrend, fine. But another thing is that now that we've seen inflation figure, we're going to send a kind of a different message to different players in the market. For those that are in the physical market, as you have seen inflation going up, that means your real return become more negative. Why for those in equity is for them to hedge against inflation. You see, that is why now that elections are around the corner, we're already at the middle of earnings season. Investors that understand that despite the election by the corner, companies that have declared dividend for 2022 will not say because of election I want to drop out my dividend. That means for those that are in equities that understand how to invest for income, position in those dividend paying companies that have really paid dividend in previous years, and their earnings as at third quarter support also in another period. They are already taking position.
Markets today.
The market has been in a, what I call a ranging bullish movement, though that not seen a real breakout. The breakout we saw was from around 54,290 to 54,000. Now we're already at 54,547. For me, it's a good one, but I see the market hitting like 54,800. I will not say there's a strong breakout, but I see that going because most of the high cap stocks have not moved, which is a good sign for the market has been. But also, I have not seen those big names in the market, their earnings, their full year earnings. If it comes good dividend, which we're all expecting, we might see an uptrend. But another thing that in equity investment, at times they factor in this expectation into the price. It's possible that when earnings are coming down, start the market coming down. But I believe that if you get our election right, whoever that I might as president, from PDP, from APC, from Labour Party, from APP, whoever that I might as leader, once the president is pronounced, that confidence will come, and that will see market rallying again. Why? But whoever that comes, will come to reform, because I tell you that we're looking at a reset, and for you to have a reset, you must come with reforms, and that reforms one that was going to support some individual sectors that will impact the companies in that sector performance, that will support. Price feed on earnings, and if earnings are positive, they are bound price to go up.
That's very, very insightful and very, deeply thought out. Thank you so much for always analyzing the stock market for us. Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited. Have a great weekend.
Thanks for having me. Yes.
Still to come after the break, the president in a national broadcast Thursday morning admitted the difficulties the new currency policy is causing Nigerians, but only approved the continued use of 200 naira note as legal tender across Nigeria. We'll focus on that after the break. Stay with us.